Hey everyone! So first off, I just wanted to thank you for joining my VIP lounge for Pure Romance and being the first group of girls to do this. So I'm so excited to have you. And I'm so excited to tell you why I got into this business. And I just want to take a couple minutes to do that. So first off, Pure Romance is a business that really emphasizes female sexual wellness as well as female entrepreneurship. And that's why I'm getting into it. I need a little extra money, and it is a woman run business, woman to woman sales. And I really, really do appreciate their message of female empowerment and female sexual wellness. And so that's why I'm getting involved here. And it's a great way if you need extra money to get involved. Okay. It's a great way to do that. However, I also want to say that I absolutely love their products, and that's why I've decided to choose this company to start my business. Okay. And most of you know Pure Romance as kind of the sex toy company, right? And they definitely sell all those tools. So if you want any of that stuff, hit me up. But honestly, this is the product that got me hooked on Pure Romance. And a little better here. It's a shave gel. Okay. And it is the best shave gel I have ever had in my entire life. Okay. And it's amazing. I cannot say enough about this product. It's a conditioning shave gel that when you use it, your legs feel like silk and they smell amazing. This is my personal favorite scent is Flirt, and I have a lot of different products in that scent. So it is a sheer jasmine and sparkling citrus scent, and it smells amazing. I feel sexy. I feel hot. I feel confident when I wear it, and that's one of the reasons I love it. So even though Pure Romance is a lot of sex products, this is what got me hooked, is this bath product, and I love it. So anyways, as far as the business goes, I really appreciate guys supporting me, and I want to offer you guys on your first purchase, I'm going to give you a 10% discount for being my first customers here. So if you order something from me in the next 2 weeks, I will give you that 10% discount. Just to thank you for being here and supporting me in the start of this business. And if you want any recommendations, hit me up. I love to talk about these products because they're amazing. So thank you again, and hopefully I'll hear from you soon.